KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. It's going to be a mild weekend. Plenty of clouds in the forecast, even over the next 10 days. So that we're going to have to get used to. I think a lot of us won't have a hard time getting used to temperatures in the 70s, and especially beyond this weekend, lots of mid-70s as we go into next week. So let's take a look at the big picture outside. Justin Terro getting us a nice shot looking up at some of the breaks in the altocumulus and stratocumulus clouds that we've seen during the course of the day today, but that did allow us to get up to 69 degrees for an afternoon high. Tomorrow 70, maybe upper 60s again on Sunday with plenty of clouds and a better chance of scattered showers. Essentially dry through the first part of the weekend, but some showers tomorrow night into Sunday and Sunday afternoon. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the big picture, and the cold air beginning to retreat back into Canada. You know, it came into the U.S., but the folks in Canada have to live with that cold air all the time, every winter. So interesting scenario there. Relatively quiet and a zonal flow from west to east, but plenty of clouds across the southern tier of the U.S. and more rain moving into California, snow in the Sierra Nevada. It's been a good year there. Good year for snow in the Rockies and also from the mid-Atlantic up through, the exception being the Northeast. Not that much snow, but recently they did just get some more snow with that cold air. Now locally for us, plenty of clouds, not much going on radar-wise. We did see a few sprinkles from time to time today, but rain chances were less than 10%, and that's what I expect again for tomorrow. Got into the upper 60s last hour. 69 was the high, now sitting at 65 in Lafayette. Mostly low to mid 60s. Meanwhile, conditions offshore a little choppy out here. Stays that way tomorrow. Improves though a little bit for Sunday, but look out for fog. That could mess up crew changeover as we get into Sunday morning and maybe Monday morning as well. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, Futurecast indicating a mixture of clouds and some breaks through tomorrow morning. That gets us down to 53. Maybe a little light fog tonight, but the big fog situation will develop for tomorrow night. And then more clouds as we head to lunchtime, but more breaks in the afternoon. So that's why I'm going with a high of about 70 for tomorrow. And as we head into tomorrow evening, it stays dry. Don't see any green showing up. But as we head into Sunday, we'll start to see scattered showers coming in. Rain chance up to 30 to 40%. But just brief shower activity. Sunday will not be a washout, and once again mild. So looking at the fog situation, fog developing offshore, but it looks like most of it manifests off to the west. But the latest model run going for a little bit of a thick patch from Abbeville, Kaplan Gate on westward. So we'll watch those trends tonight. Right now I'm thinking light fog, but if skies are fair in spots, it could be quite thick. And then fog certainly developing tomorrow night, moving into Sunday morning. So factor that into your travel plans early Sunday. If you're going east or west, I think fog will be a situation to deal with. 53 the low. That's what I'm going to go with for a low tonight. Lower to mid 50s across the board. Then tomorrow, upper 60s to near 70 for a high. This is just a snapshot at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Anywhere in yellow, you're going to see 70 degrees more than likely at some point in the afternoon. And then tomorrow night, back down into the mid 50s, a few degrees milder. And then as we head into Sunday, upper 60s to near 70 once again. So seasonably mild tonight. Normal low should be about 44. We'll be at 53 with that patchy light fog for now. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy and milder. I do expect more intervals of sun tomorrow for our Groundhog Day. I don't know what it means if the groundhog sees a shadow or not, but we already have spring-like temperatures. 70 the high. Normal this time of year should be 63. Rain chance low tomorrow, perks up to 30 to 40% Sunday, Monday, and even a little bit higher as we go into Tuesday. But look at those temperatures. Well into the mid 70s for the middle part of next week, and there is the chance Wednesday or Thursday, if we see more breaks in that cloud cover, we may be getting close to 80 degrees, which is a hard thing to do in early February. We're still kind of in the dead of winter, but you wouldn't know it by the 10-day forecast. Briefly cooler a week from today, but we'll be back into the 70s by the latter part of the following weekend.
All right, thanks, Rob.